हेलो, नमस्ते, वेलकम एंड सुस्वागता। मैं रूडी आ चुका हूं फिर से इंडिया की सिलिकॉन वैली मीट्स गार्डन सिटी बेंगलुरु। मेरा दिल गार्डन गार्डन इसलिए हो चुका है क्योंकि मैं मिलने जा रहा हूं सबसे क्यूट कपल को, जिनका नाम है मंजुला एंड संदीप।
कहते हैं मुश्किलें रिश्तों को और मजबूत बनाती है। संदीप और मंजुला की लव स्टोरी इसी का एग्जाम्पल है। स्कूल स्वीटहार्ट्स जिनका प्यार ही उनकी हिम्मत बना, जो लड़े कभी दुनिया से तो कभी अपने आप से, लेकिन नहीं छोड़ा कभी तो एक दूसरे का साथ। और आज 15 साल बाद वो वक्त आ ही गया है जब वो सबके सामने थामेंगे एक दूसरे का हाथ।
We are very excited about this wedding because it's a blend of cultures. She is a Hindu traditional Telugu bride and he is a Christian boy. और इस शादी में और भी मसाला ऐड करने के लिए आ रही है दुल्हन की बेस्ट फ्रेंड दिव्या।
I am Divya Mahesh, 34 years old, brought up in Bangalore. I work as a corporate HR and it's my best friend's wedding. So I'm just looking forward to have a lot of fun. They say, right, when a friendship lasts for 7 years, it lasts for a lifetime. So mine and Manju's friendship is a lifetime. And I'm really, really lucky to be one of her best friends. I wanted both Manjula's and Sandeep's wedding to be a part of Yari Dosti Shadi. One is a Christian wedding. Anybody would want to wear that white gown, walk down the aisle, get your rings exchanged, and then still have your Hindu customs happening backside before the wedding, and then the reception. It's like a complete wedding package.
Hi, I'm Manjula. I'm 33 years old and I'm a software engineer by profession.
Manjula is very energetic, she's peppy, she's friendly, she's a fitness freak.
Manjula is like a person who is totally lively. She would like fun so much, like traveling, clicking, getting together, going to parties.
Sandeep is also a very peppy, very friendly, a very emotional person. They both are like my ideal pair.
Hi, I'm Sandeep. I'm 34 years old. I have my own business and I'm to retail garments.
Sandeep is an amazing person with a lot of energy all the time, positive energy, and he's very humorous. When you're around with him, most of the time you have a smile or you have a laughter on your face all the time.
We studied in the same school.
My friend used to like her. And he told me, come dude, I want to show a girl like whom I like. I told, come dude, let's check her out. So she was standing in the bus stop. So I told, dude, forget her, she's your bhabhi now. And one day I saw her coming from the school back gate and I approached her. Hi, I'm Sandeep, I just want to know your name. And it's such a silence in her. She just bent her head and just moved away.
Yeah, you don't know anyone, you come and ask my name, you think I'll come and tell you my name or what?
This happened for 6 months. I should go talk to her and ask her name. What's your name? She told, bent her head and just go away.
Then even he joined a different college, even I could join a different college. Then he came near my college again. So there I think he met and it was like more like I was matured enough, my mind was matured, and then I started talking to him like, okay fine, let's just talk, that's all. So I think after 2 years of friendship, no?
Yeah.
2 years?
2 years of friendship.
Yeah, 2 years of friendship, that's when he just proposed to me.
I think it was approximately 14 years that Manjula came up to me telling that I've seen this guy, his name is Sandeep and he's very good looking. I was like, are you sure? You know, I want to see him. And then she's like, yeah, I'm meeting him today, let's go for a coffee. And I see him, he's like this smart, pink cheeked, you know, that hero kind of looks. Anybody would fall for, any girl would die for. He was that good looking. I said, before meeting Sandeep, I saw him from far. I was like, Manju, you're that lucky girl. He's so good looking. I think you should just go in for this.
Yeah, I fell in love slowly. His character, he's very clean from heart, they say, right? That is this character here. So that is what I fell for.
There's some saying called like, good girls like bad guys.
Yeah. So I'm the good girl and he's the bad. So finally we are into it.
Manjula calls me one day and she's like, babe, I want to tell you something. I said, what? She said, I'm getting married. I said, are you serious? She said, no, we're getting engaged.
It's like a Dilwale Dulhane Le Jayenge. It's like that is what the story now.
He is never punctual, you know. He is not at all punctual. He's made me wait once like for 3.5 hours near the college.
He has a lot of mood swing. We can't predict when what will happen.
Manju is very emotional and Sandeepa is very practical.
You ask him a question, he does not answer. He asks you a question in turn. Where are you? You tell me where are you.
It's been a 14-long-year relationship and finally it is there and they're getting married. I myself am not able to believe that they're getting married.
You know, we've been getting a lot of mails from brides and grooms about getting featured on our show. And one such bride is Manjula. She actually is a very big fan of our show and wanted to be featured on our show. And amongst other things, she's also a big fan of Tanishq, जो हमारे शो के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं.
इस हफ्ते यारी दोस्ती शादी पे मुझे मौका मिला है मंजुला के सपनों को रियलिटी में बदलने का. So ever since she's dreamt of being a bride, she's seen herself in Tanishq jewelry. And I'm so excited to be part of her dream come true. I'm waiting for her as she's going to come any moment with her friend Divya and we're going to do some really exciting jewelry shopping.
Hey,
Hi!
Hi, how are you doing?
Hi Manjula. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hi Divya.
How are you?
Very good. So are you excited?
Yeah, totally.
I'm very excited.
Yeah, totally.
Come, let's go. So you're Telugu and you're getting married to a Christian.
Yes.
So is it a church wedding? Tell me that.
Yeah. So morning I'll have a church wedding.
Wow.
So I'll be wearing a white gown. So it's a dream of every girl to wear a white gown and walk down the aisle.
It is. Trust me, you're very lucky.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
So basically you want to be styled and decked up for your reception by Tanishq?
Yes, completely good bridal look. I've seen the posters of Deepika.
Yes.
And so I wanted to exactly look like her. One wedding in the whole lifetime. So why not Tanishq?
And you want it only for reception?
Yeah.
I sense something here.
She's secretly thinking about, having the Tanishq designing her whole look for the haldi and mehendi and all that after seeing the Deepika ad.
My best friend Divya being there, she caught me red-handed and she's like, okay. And she actually wants to be a Tanishq bride wearing only jewelry from Tanishq for all the wedding occasions.
And with Tanishq Riva, हम हर शादी के लिए नहीं, शादी के हर function के लिए भी तैयार हैं. So you have come to the right place.
Yeah.
So now that we've decided that you want to see jewelry for every function of yours, what's the first function?
Mehendi.
Why Mehendi?
That will be the place where we have small get-together with friends, family and all. So I would want to look really nice then.
So what are you wearing for your Mehendi?
I just had a vague idea about my outfit that was probably mirror work because I wanted to stand out in a small crowd. So I was looking for something in gold, so which would complement my dress and look very neat and elegant, which with the pastel shades, I was looking something for that.
Come on, your verdict. What do you like? What do you want to try?
I think probably I should try, then I'll get to know what looks good on me. So
let's see you in this first.
how's it looking?
Very nice.
Oh, I love it. It's looking beautiful.
Yeah.
Right now you're wearing this. Can you imagine wearing this with your Mehendi outfit? Does it go?
It's okay because the work comes out here and it's going to come below that. So yeah, so I don't know whether it'll look good exactly. But I would like to try that too. I think the choker.
So you can try this, but we have more options for you.
Yeah.
If you want to see.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah?
T-shirt, yeah.
Okay.
She called for the one more piece. I think I fell in love with that piece because it was a combination of both choker and a long chain. I really like that. It's a combination of both, the long hara and the choker. So I really like it.
You know what I'm most intrigued about? That the minute you wore this and this came, you're not talking about that, you're only talking
It's an eye catcher, You immediately I saw that and my eyes were on it.
So come on, let's have you try it. Ooh, this looks really regal.
This is beautiful.
It does, it does.
Very beautiful.
This looks good on your garter also.
Yeah. Can I try this?
Yes. Ooh, that's stunning.
Wow. I think it completes the look.
It's perfect. Oh, this is lovely. Now
This
I
is
can see.
absolutely
Beautiful.
stunning.
Yeah, lovely. Superb. Very nice. I think I'll finalize this only.
Really?
Yeah, I really like this.
You want to see more options?
No, I think I'm good with this.
You are?
Yeah.
I'm very happy. Come on, now let's go and check out some other jewelry for your main functions.
Yeah.
Right.
So now we're going to be looking at your jewelry for the wedding and reception.
Yes.
Are you excited?
Very, very excited.
Should we call for the jewelry
Yeah,
without
please
wasting
fast.
any time?
Yeah.
Okay, chalo. So which one of these two pieces you want to try?
This is beautiful. I think it has a lot of stones.
Yeah.
It might look a little too much for the white thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll try both and
Yeah.
see what looks good.
Yeah.
Riddhi got this beautiful neck piece with a big ruby emerald in between, and that really stands out.
This is really looking nice.
Oh, it's so cute. Yeah, the hanging is really nice, and I love the stone.
I really like this piece. I think the neck piece has, you know, very detailed and intricate work. With the white gown, it will definitely make the whole look so beautiful and surreal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh God, this is gorgeous.
Which one is? Well, let me try the earring too. See?
It's so beautiful. I like this.
This one?
Yeah.
So which one have you decided?
I think I'll go with this because this has too many of the pink
Rubies,
and
right?
all. I think this will look really nice, more elegant and very
that's
nice.
definitely more
classy.
delicate.
Yeah, so I think I'll go in with this.
Okay.
I tried both of the jewelry and I think I like the first one because it had this stone in between and it was really shining. It looked good on my neck, so I like the first one.
Let's make the memories even more beautiful by finalizing what you're going to wear on your reception now.
Actually, I'm looking for something really heavy for my reception outfit.
You know, you can go online on the Tanishq website and you can check out all the pieces that they have on their website. I think it'll be a good idea if you aram se sit at home and see what you want, and Tanishq will make sure that you get it.
Okay, I'll do that. I'll go check their website then.
Yes. I'm so happy that Manjula is actually seeing all her dreams come true, and she is going to be decked up in Tanishq jewelry on all her wedding functions. Well, I can only wish Manjula and Sandeep all the very best, a lot of love and laughter for whatever is coming ahead. Mwah! बैंगलोर में मंजुला ने दिव्या के साथ बहुत धूम मचाई थी in selecting her jewelry, but now it's turn for the bride and groom to select what they're going to wear. इसीलिए मैं मंजुला और संदीप को यहाँ ले आई हूँ बॉम्बे में. We are standing right outside the Azhar store, which houses the best designers of the country, exhibiting their latest collection all under one roof. So what are we waiting for? Let's go inside and meet Devangi.
At Azhar, what is most rewarding for us is when a bride and a groom are wearing the dream outfit that they had pictured in mind and are standing next to each other looking absolutely perfect, and that is what makes us happy.
So Devangi, she is very lucky and I'm so jealous of her, as must be a lot of girls in India. She's having a church wedding.
Oh, how lovely.
So Hindu-Christian wedding.
Right.
So morning it's going to be a church wedding where I'll be wearing a white gown. And evening I'll be looking like a Hindu bride.
Oh, that's so wonderful. You get the best of both worlds and you
Absolutely. So, as I'm given to understand, you want an outfit from Azhar for your mehendi function, right?
Yes.
And what do you have in mind for your mehendi?
That's the first pre-wedding function at home. So I want to stand out. I want to look good. And moreover, I'm going to invite his family and friends too. So even he is going to come over. So that's the first function. He'll be looking at me and he should tell
so
wow.
that's a very important
Yeah. So I did have a look at azharfashions.com and I really love the lehenga collection. Definitely I'm going to pick up a lehenga from here.
A lehenga, okay.
Yeah.
And what about the colors and the thoughts that you have?
I was looking for something in pastel shades.
Okay.
So probably green, pink, yellow.
Okay, yeah. And what about you? What do you have in mind?
Which suits her dress?
That's so sweet. In terms of colors, do you prefer kind of muted shades or would you want a brighter shade?
I'd like to go like something gold.
Right.
Yeah, something lighter shades.
Right. So maybe a beige, a gold.
Yeah, something
okay.
like those.
You both are really lucky because Devangi's planned something very special for you guys.
We have a celebrity stylist, Isha Amin, who styles the creme de la creme of Bollywood. She does a lot of the beautiful looks that you see on the red carpet, as well as Bollywood films. And she's here specially for you today to give you a few tips and tricks as to what you should have in your wardrobe in terms of the key pieces to have in your trousseau to take to your new home. So here's Isha.
What is it that you have planned for your wardrobe, your wedding function?
So for pujas, I would like to wear a normal kurta, and family gathering, I would like to go in a sari, and some parties, I would want to wear a gown.
Okay. Yeah. Well, try and vary it in your silhouettes a little bit. So, like you said, you want to do, say, tunics for pujas, but maybe instead of doing your regular churidars and salwars, maybe you could try, say, palazzos, try, dhoti pants and tulip pants, or just do cigarette pants.
I'll definitely go with your advice and suggestions.
Well, I think for guys, there's not much that you'll experiment, but do try and, have a good mix of Western and sort of Indo-Western and traditional pieces in your wardrobe. Try and get a few interesting bundis and stuff that you could, Nehru jackets and bangalas that you can kind of wear for different occasions.
During this private consultation, Isha gave Manjula as well as Sandeep quite a few tips on what colors to go for, what silhouettes to go for, and then we walked through the pret section of Aza.
So, like you said, you have a lot of dinners and pujas to attend. Yeah. So, how about something like this? Just cowled, patialas and like a cape. You don't even have to carry a dupatta. You could be hands-free and you could have a great evening. If you have a slightly more dressy evening or an after wedding function to go for, wear something like this which just cinches at the waist, so it gives you a great silhouette.
This one subs as both a gown as well as an anarkali, so you can wear it for an Indian event as well as for even a black tie event.
We are lucky we got to meet Isha, and she shared a lot of tips, and that was really helpful. Now I could go ahead with her suggestions and I would know what exactly I would want to wear.
So Manjula, I was thinking, since it's a mehndi and you want to be very bright, happy, colorful like the traditional Indian bride, so I'm going to show you 3 different outfits and you can tell me what you think.
Sure.
So the first outfit I had in mind for you is actually on the mannequin. So it's a beautiful pastel pink lehenga with zardozi work as well as thread work. I also think this color would look very good against your skin tone.
I like those birds in between. Very nice.
Since you will be wearing white for your church wedding, I wanted to show you one option in red. So this is a beautiful lehenga by Anushri Reddy. And you can see this one also has the leaf embroidery at the bottom.
This is lovely. Very, very nice. The combination is very good, red and pink. Beautiful.
Yeah. So for the third outfit, I wanted to give you a different look. So this one is very sparkly, very princessy. It has a beautiful greenish tone at the bottom and a pink blouse. But you can see there's mirror work all over, which is very fun for a mehndi.
I think I told you I would want pastel colors, and this is the combination of green and pink. All the 3 outfits were unique in their own way, but my eyes were particularly on the pastel shades, the green and pink, and that is what I was looking for, so I just grabbed it.
So Sandeep, I have 4 options for you that I wanted to show you.
Yeah.
Great. For Sandeep, I shortlisted 4 options. I wanted to pick something that was very unique, that had something unusual to it in terms of the structure or the drape. So with this kurta, you can see the bandi has a drape going across the collar. So it's really pretty and it's a very unusual element. The second option I selected was also very fun. It was a navy blue kurta with a shaded bandi, which was white as well as blue. This one had a cowl at the bottom of the kurta, so the hemline was very interesting. I also really like the fact that this is two-toned as part of the bandi, and the buttons are really nice. So this sherwani has a flap across the left side with thread work. So you'll see there's this honeycomb pattern. It's very interesting. The fourth option I suggested to Sandeep was conventional in terms of the silhouette and the cut, but it was very interesting because it was textured all over. It had a leaf embroidery on the sleeves as well as above the pocket.
I like one in the third outfit, the gold one. I like the unusual pattern, the cut in the side, and I feel that color rich. It looks rich, very rich. I like that. I want to try that.
So would you like to try on only this one, or would you like to try on?
I want to try only that.
Only that.
Yeah.
So you know exactly.
Yeah.
Okay. When Manjula and Sandeep walked out of the trial room, they looked beautiful together. I think the outfits complemented each other very well.
I think it's really nice, the green color and the pink, the combination, and the mirror work.
The silk is giving me a good look. I look more rich and I look like a groom.
Yeah.
That's what I want. And in matching with her, more with her.
After finalizing the outfit at Azza, I think we'll look really stunning. Both of us will complement each other and we will stand out. And I think that will be one of the best costumes we're going to wear for the wedding. So I'm happy with my outfit.
This is what I wanted and I found it.
I definitely think you got exactly what you had in mind.
Yeah.
And I agree, your outfit looked beautiful on you. The mirror work especially, you know, the light sparkles against it and makes you look very bridal and very princess-like.
I just want to thank Azza for making this happen. Actually, it was really nice of them to give the outfit and so that we look really good on our Mehendi function.
Sandeep and Manjula, I wish you all the happiness together. As you walk down the aisle, I'm sure you look beautiful together. So I wish you all the happiness, good luck and love. And take care.
Manjula came in, so she first put haldi, kumkum, to the thread which is knotted to the bangles.
It is important in our caste that the bride wear green and black bangles, and everyone, whoever comes to see that function, will be given that as a present and they'll wear the bangles too.